What are you expecting? We're talking about minus 40 in parts of Minnesota.
Yeah.
How cold are we looking at?
You know, we're not going to get that harsh. I mean, but it's going to be one of those deals where it's been since 1994 that we're going to reach these levels of cold. And I'm looking at a new model that might be suggesting possibly maybe updating some of these snow maps. Maybe raising totals later this afternoon. Let's just talk more about that coming up. Let's deal with the here and now, and it's blizzard warnings in effect from Boston to New York City and Long Island, winter storm warnings in Philadelphia to winter weather advisories just north of the city. So this is going to be a real deal storm. This isn't going to miss us, but we are going to be talking about accumulating snow later this afternoon, going into this evening. You're good to go, though, this morning. Temperatures not bad. We're not as cold as we were yesterday morning, so our outer suburbs, you get into Tawnytown along the Pike, down towards the Mount area around 26, 27 degrees, 30 closer to the Beltway. And then here comes our storm system rolling through Indianapolis right now. Lots of snow, around 3 to 6 inches of snow. And this system is one of two systems that are going to come together, form into a coastal storm, and produce some pretty good snows from here in Baltimore right up towards Boston. So a very complex situation. What you really need to know, though, is this morning you have nothing to worry about. It's later this afternoon, our outer northwestern suburbs. Rain-snow mixture coming in from west to east, 2 o'clock, and then inside the metro as we get into this evening. Plowable snow after 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. What are we talking about in terms of plowable snows? 2 to 4 inches, a really good number for the city, down towards northern Anne Arundel County. However, as you get to the north and to the east, this is where there could be some changes. 4 to 6 inches. It's possible we may get into around a 5-6 inch amount. Moncton, Whitehall, as you get up towards Havre de Grace, beyond that, hopping over to the Delaware Memorial Bridge, could be close to 6 inches, but we do know the bullseye, man, it's going to be nasty. From Philadelphia, that ride 95 up towards JFK into Long Island could be around 6 to double-digit snow totals. And then really to add insult to injury, it's going to get so cold. 32 in town is like a heat wave in comparison to what's going on in southeastern Canada, where our actual air temperatures are at 45 to 50 degrees below zero. The winds are starting to pick up. That Arctic frontal boundary developing a pressure gradient, winds in combination with a 50-degree below zero air temperatures, producing these wind chills that are impressive. 63 degrees below zero, it feels like in southeastern Canada. It's not going to get that cold here, but we could be talking wind chill factors between 10 to 15 degrees below zero. Could feel like it's around 20 to 25 degrees below zero with air temperatures at 15 to 22. So, folks, this could be dangerous. 40 in town today. Don't get used to that, because we're down to 18 for tonight. That 18 tonight goes to only 22 on Friday with a 9-degree overnight low. Could be the first negative numbers out over the mountains Friday night into Saturday. You like that, Lauren Cook?
Wow.